Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, October 4th, and today is Debarkation Day. We just did a 5-day, 4-night cruise to Princess Key and the Bahamas. And before we left our room, I decided to do a room tour, and then I'm gonna head off and get breakfast. So we'll go ahead and get started with this tour. That is the front door. This room is similar to, well, all the rooms are kind of the same, but this room is similar to the room that we had 2 years ago when it was just two of us sharing a room. Then right when you come in, on the right side, there's the bathroom. Excuse our mess. We are leaving now, so it's kind of crazy, but this is a convenient little bathroom here. And the shower, kitchen, toilet. It has a little line in it so that if you need your wet things to get dried, you have that. The water can get really hot, so be careful. And then you come out of the bathroom. On the left side, you have all of your storage. Got closets. Got some towels and stuff in there, and I think this one has our life jackets, so there should be one for each person in the cabin. And then the last one, we've got a full-length mirror that we barely used while we were in here, to be honest. I'm really big on like full-length mirrors, but this time it wasn't really a big deal because we had this one, and I was usually wearing sandals anyways. So this is our mirror that we would get ready with. And then behind me, when we first came in, this was like a sofa. And when we came back on the first day, they turned it into a bed. So we had one person sleeping here. They have a nice lamp there, so if they need to see at night. A single chair if someone needs to sit down. My stuff is on there right now. And then we have a king-size bed. Before we get to the bed, we have a television, continuing on this entertainment side. They give us some complimentary waters, and then the refrigerator is down here, and then above that is the safe, and then above that is the TV. They have plenty of storage, drawers here. They have your little vanity area. That's what this is called. This would be like a vanity. So you have a stool, and then this drawer is a hair dryer, and then additional storage down below. There's more shelving here. We've got more storage over here. And then we can go over to the bed, which is right there. This is a king-size bed. Now, I did request for them to split the bed. It was just me and my cousin, so we didn't even bother having them split it because we're not too wild of sleepers, and it's a king-size bed, so we can't do too much damage. But yeah, it wasn't bad at all. The beds are comfy, so if you needed 3 people to sleep separately, you can turn this king-size bed into 2 twin-size beds. We've got side tables on each side of the bed, and then we have our beautiful window. You can see the Disney Dream right over there. We left with them and we arrived with them, I believe, too. This is a good size window. I've seen bigger windows than this where like people could actually sit in it, and one person could sit in it, but I've seen one where like 3 people can fit in there. And if you just need a little bit of shade, we've got the sheer curtains. But if you want like blackout curtains, they have that as well, which is really nice at night if you want to sleep in. Put those blackout curtains on. But I love a view. Last time we had a balcony, but I don't mind the window. I just need some sunlight because the other rooms that don't have a window kind of feel like a dungeon. That's all for the room tour. I'm going to go ahead and head up and get some breakfast, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye. just called our blue zone tag number, so we are going to be heading home now, guys. Oh, it's so sad. But I'm gonna go meet up with my cousins. We just had breakfast, and now we're gonna go get our bags and head on home. Until the next time, see y'all later.